Sean Diddy Combs back in court, where for the first time he faced the judge presiding over his sex trafficking case.
The disgraced music mogul's family joined him inside the Manhattan courthouse as the judge set an official trial date. Good day's Lissette Nuñez joins us right now with details as to what happened inside the courtroom. Lissette?
Good morning, Kurt and Rosanna. Well, we saw an emotional side to Diddy. He was blowing kisses to his sons and also his daughters inside the courtroom, and also hugged his attorneys. His attorneys say the music mogul is making the best of the situation. During yesterday's hearing, defense attorneys and prosecutors went back and forth on the brutal video showing Diddy beating his ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura. Combs' attorneys claim the video was leaked by the government to the press and are concerned the video will taint the jury pool.
He's making an adjustment. He had his family here today to support him. We really want to put an end to all of the clowning that we see on the internet. This is a serious proceeding with serious consequences.
A judge setting May 5th as a trial date for Sean Diddy Combs in the sex trafficking and racketeering case. Thursday, the music mogul was dressed in tan jail clothes as his children and mother attended his hearing. Anthony Rico is appealing Combs' bail denial after two judges ordered Diddy to stay behind bars while he awaits trial.
Nobody's okay with staying in jail for now.
Diddy's legal team filed court papers accusing the U.S. Department of Homeland Security of leaking the video of Combs brutally assaulting his ex-girlfriend Cassie at an L.A. hotel. Combs' attorneys are concerned it will deprive Diddy of a fair trial. Prosecutors call the claims baseless and only an attempt to exclude a damning piece of evidence. The lead federal prosecutor also took issue with Combs' attorney Mark Agnifillo's comments in a TMZ documentary where he claimed the government was guilty of racial bias in targeting Combs. The result was a mutual gag order.
I made a request for the judge to issue what we call the gag order, and the judge is going to issue it on a reciprocal basis. So I'm not going to say anything that I didn't say in my papers and in court.
Gloria Allred represents some of the accusers of Combs in civil cases. She spoke outside the courthouse.
Even if you're a celebrity, you're not above the law.
So the lead federal prosecutor reiterated that more charges could be added and additional defendants could be named in the indictment. She also said that 96 electronic devices were seized during the raid on Diddy's two homes. Kurt and Rosanna.
Okay, thank you so much for that update.